Here we go with our unbucketing of the Alien Bucket assortment from Area 51 Fireworks. Starting with a Boomer tank with star, 2 Magnum poppers by World Class, Crackling Ball by World Class, small box of snappers by World Class, box of World Class flashing signal, 2 small happiness fountains by Boomer, 3 party poppers by World Class, a Boomer splash out fountain, a large friendship fountain from Cutting Edge, a World Class Redline Screamer fountain, a Boomer Golden Flower fountain, a 3 colors fountain from Boomer, 2 small friendship fountains by Boomer, and a brown bloom flowers from World Class. And that is from the Alien Bucket assortment.